Hello, guys, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 5th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudokus. There are 3 puzzles left. The tectonic. The tectonic and the binary and the killer Sudoku. Let me position the camera first because I have troubles with the tripod. Okay. Well. The binary puzzle number. This will be number 4364. 4364. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Between 2 ones comes an O, double O, here one, there one, double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one, double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then. Between 2 ones comes an O, 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 3. Well, we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the second row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be no. This should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. We need to compare, I believe, yeah. We need to compare this column. In the last column, 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box. We need to switch those 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. Alright, see you then. Bye bye for now.